guys, we are here at the first Agkaisa Golf Tournament and magcha-challenge tayo. Guess the sneaker challenge and ang mapapanalunan nila is a Sunday Red Tees. So tara, talungin natin yung mga golfers. Guys, I'm here with
Yayan.
Tom.
Yayan, Tom. Meron tayong challenge today dito sa Agkaisa Golf Tournament. You guys will have a chance to get a free Sunday Red na tees if nahulaan nyo tong sapatos na to. So, all you have to do is guess this sneaker. Alam mo ba ako ng sneaker to? Okay.
Ikaw na ulit sana. Sneakers ni Tiger Woods. Branding ni Tiger Woods.
Tiger Woods 1.
Tiger Woods 2. Tiger Woods 2. Okay, guys. So, ang correct model ng sneaker na to is the Sunday Red Presidio 2026. This is their newest release na style ng Tiger Woods. So, try again next time, boys. Good luck sa tournament.
Research kami next time.
Any shoutouts?
Wala. Hello sa Shulab Manila.
Hello sa Kalay Bar Studio, pati Shulab Manila.
Alright. Thank you. Okay, I'm here with
Clarence de Guzman.
and Miggy.
Pare, Miggy. Call me Miggy.
Call me Miggy. Hulaan nyo lang kung anong sapatos to. Anong model,
Sunday Red.
Anong model? Correct. Anong model? Dapat
Model.
Model, pati model.
2025. Sunday Red, alam ko ito eh. Alam mo ba to?
Ikaw.
Pare, alam mo, matagal na akong nag-golf.
Wow! Since birth?
Since February. Bro, very basic to. Actually, itong pangalan ito, nandito sa sapatos.
Nandiyan na?
Diyan pare, ang tawag dito, Sunday Red. Ayan o, Presidio. Pare,
Galing! Dahil dyan, kailangan mo munang bilhin yung sapatos, Brad. Okay. So yan. Congratulations for guessing our Guess the sneaker. Thank you guys. Shoutouts.
Shoutout kay Vincent Erfe. Yan, kaka-tee off lang niya kanina. Okay lang yan.
Okay. Ikaw naman, as our winner.
pare, shoutout sa sarili ko. Wala nang iba. Break 95.9.
Break 95.9. Let's go.